If you want red light at home without complicated setup, this INIA device might be the easiest option. I'll show you why. I test at-home beauty devices so you don't have to. Today, the INIA 3-in-1 red light therapy device for face and neck. I'll show you how to use it and how it compares to similar at-home tools. The treatment head lights up for the red light mode and has obvious vibration/microcurrent controls. First impression. It looks modern and is easy to pick up and use. Using it is simple. Turn it on, choose your mode, red light, microcurrent, vibration, or combined, and glide it over the face and neck in slow upward motions for a few minutes each area. Don't press hard. Gentle contact is enough. I film a short demo here so you can see the motion and speed I use. Mode 1 equals red light only, Mode 2 equals vibration/microcurrent, Mode 3 equals combo. Intensity is adjustable on most units. INIA offers low/medium/high. Battery life on my unit lasted about several uses. Controls are straightforward, and the LED indicators are easy to read. Comfort. It's quiet and has a pleasant vibration, not buzzy. The head stays cool, and you don't feel heat other than the mild red light warmth. Noise level is low, so it's usable while watching TV. Build. Feels lightweight but not cheap. My only gripe is that the manual could be clearer on recommended session length. INIA 3-in-1 combines red light, microcurrent, vibration, and massage into one package. That makes it versatile if you want a single device to cover multiple routines. Pros: multi-mode, easy to use, good visual design, quiet operation. Cons: not a medical device, not an instant fix, manual could be clearer, battery or runtime depends on model. My verdict: if you want a practical multifunction device to test red light and gentle microcurrent without buying 3 separate tools, the INIA 1 is a solid choice for the price. It's not a replacement for clinical treatments, but it is easy to use nightly and fits an at-home routine. Best for routine users, budget-minded shoppers, and anyone who wants one device to try different modalities. If you want the exact model I tested, I put the link in the description below. If you're not ready to buy right now, add it to your cart. Amazon will keep it there and you can decide later. That also preserves the affiliate attribution if you add to cart shortly after clicking. I earn from qualifying purchase when you use my link at no extra cost. Thanks for watching. Hit like if this helped, subscribe for more short, honest device test, and I'll see you in the next one.